Hey everybody, how you doing? I am the Midlife YouTuber, and in the immortal words of Vanilla Ice, if you've got a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Now there's more to that. Before I get into that, and before I explain to you why I'm even bringing up Vanilla Ice, which, why wouldn't I? But before I explain to you the whys, I would like to remind everybody to please like, comment, and subscribe, as I always ask. And then also, if you know somebody who could use this video, or somebody who's a huge Vanilla Ice fan, or somebody who's a huge Midlife YouTuber fan, please share this video with them. Why? Because sharing is caring. And I'm Midlife YouTuber Bear. So, back to Vanilla Ice. He did have lyrics in that song. They said, if you've got a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Now, that's as far as we need to talk about him, but we're going to talk about that phrase. If you've got a problem, I'll solve it. If you solve a problem in every video that you make, not only are you helping everybody who watches your video, but you're gaining viewership because they know that you're helping them identify their problems. Because keep in mind, when you're first starting out on your journey, whether it's your YouTube journey or learning how to juggle or how to fix a car, the thing is, you don't know what you don't know. If you've never done something before, people aren't going to automatically have questions about it. It always drove me crazy when you go somewhere and you're doing something for the very first time and they go, okay, what questions do you have? I don't even know what to ask. So I don't know what I don't know. I need to learn something to know that I don't know other things. So by giving these people the problems that they're going to face, kind of being proactive about it and going, okay, this is something that you're going to face when you start juggling and you're going from 2 balls to 3 balls. Now you have 2 hands and 2 balls, so that's kind of an easy thing to go. But now when the balls outnumber your hands, how do you do that? I kind of know how to juggle a little bit, but I'm not even going to try to begin to explain it to you because I just kind of fooled around and messed around and kind of figured out a thing. It's probably a wrong thing, but this is a problem that someone's going to come up with when they start learning how to do something. And I identified the problem. And before you found the problem, I found the problem and said, hey, look, this is going to be a problem for you. And this is how you overcome it. So now you're giving them knowledge. You're giving them future knowledge. You're helping them to solve a problem that they didn't even know existed. Or maybe you're solving a problem for them that they've been struggling with for a couple weeks or a month or, who knows how long. But you're giving them something straight out of the gate, and that is invaluable. And that is why people are going to check out your page and they're going to come to you. They're going to identify you as a guru, as someone who knows what they're talking about. You're an expert. You know what they're going through. You've already started at 0 and made your way up to 100, and they're at number 3. So they're looking to somebody who has been through it, who has traveled this road before, who has the knowledge and experience that they gained through their trials and tribulations and the hard-fought battles and all the scraped knees and blisters that came with this long journey. You have all that knowledge, and now you're imparting it to them so that they don't have to fight the same battles or get the same blisters, or at least maybe they won't be so bad. It's a great way for you to build a rapport, to start building a community, and to absolutely build trust with your people by giving them something that they didn't even know they were going to face before they face it, and then give them the way to get a victory over it. Phenomenal. Or to help them solve something that they've been struggling with. They're going to be eternally grateful for you, and they're going to keep coming back to you, and they're going to subscribe to your channel, and they're going to keep watching. And every time they have another problem, they're going to go to your channel and they're going to look to see if you solved it. Maybe they'll go in the comments and say, hey, I love this video, but I've been struggling with this. Can you help me out? That's fantastic. Maybe you put an email there for them to send you email messages or sign up for an email list or take a class from you. Maybe if you have a class for them to take, this is a great way for you to get them to see the value in that class, because you've already given them value for free. You've already said, hey, look, here's a problem. Here's how you fix it. Now, if you've had this problem, there's other problems that you're going to have, and I can help you through those as well. And now you've set yourself up as a coach or a mentor, and you can provide them with some training, with some classes, and you can help them out. great way for you to get your business going and a great way for you to help improve your brand. And always be honest and upfront about everything that's going on. If you do everything with integrity, then people will respond to that in kind. And they will be much more serious about subscribing to their channel, following you, watching all your videos, because they know that you're someone that can be trusted and that you're someone that they want to lean on from time to time. So now, what problems do you guys have that I can help you with? Comment them down below. Let me know and I'll do my best to help you out. Like I said, everything I learn, I'm willing to share with you guys. And if I don't know the answer, well, I'm going to go and I'm going to find it and I'll make a video about it. Just for you. That's right. Yeah, no, not you. No, not you. Definitely not you. But you. Absolutely for you. Because you're a good person. In fact, I'm just joking. All of you are good people. We're all good people. So I want to help you guys and I want you to help me. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anybody who you think can use it. Maybe, just maybe, go listen to some Vanilla Ice. He could probably use the help. I guess. I don't know. What's he doing now? Nice, nice baby. Word to your mother. All right, guys. This is a Midlife YouTuber reminding you to go out and catch your first fish. And have yourself a wonderful day. Take care.